In this video I wanted to talk a little bit about what changes if you buy a BMW in Italy versus Germany. There are a few differences which you need to keep in mind depending if you live in between and are wondering which one is more convenient for you. I will advise you a little bit on how I came to make my decision. In the beginning, I rather wanted to get my bike in Germany, the new one, because in Germany insurance and that is a little bit cheaper if you are in the right free class. Like there are some classes of how many years you've been without an accident, and the more you have, the less you pay. And in addition, you can make a safety briefing, safety course on the road. And if you do that, you pay another 50 euros less a year, which is quite nice that they have this option. But I don't know how it is to go from Italy to Germany if I can account some of my years there. But I believe that would be really complicated. Next is TÜV or Collaudo, which is about, in Italy, if you buy a new bike the first time, it's after 4 years after buying, and then every 2 years. TÜV, on the other hand, is actually the first time you make it after 3 years of owning the bike, or after first admission to the road, and then after that every 2 years. So it's the same, except for in Italy you make it 1 year later. So that doesn't change a lot. Now tax in Italy, it's a little bit more expensive than in Germany, but not to a point where you say it's a completely different thing. Yeah, that's the difference for insurance and tax. So not a lot of difference. Just the insurance in Germany, if you have certain years, you pay a lot less. Italy right now, for mine, I pay insurance 1,100 for semi-casco with theft, fire and that stuff, which in my opinion is quite nice. It's okay. And next would be the price. The base price of the M1000R in Germany is 1,000 euros less, and every accessory you put on a bike in Germany is like 10% less expensive, which is a big thing, a big deal. When you configure both in both countries, the difference which you would pay is around 2,000–3,000 if you fully pack the bike. For my spec, the difference was roughly 600–700 euros, something like that. Because of course in Italy they make a little bit more discount. In Germany they make discounts too, but not to that extent of Italy. So the bike would be cheaper in Germany. Insurance would be cheaper in Germany on the long term. So it's actually more convenient if you think objectively about this. But then I had my bike. In Germany they would have given me 17,000 for my M1000R competition, and in Italy they gave me 19,000 for the same bike. So in Italy I would get 2,000 euros more, but would pay 700 euros more for the bike. So still less expensive than in Germany. So in Italy it cost me less. But that's not everything. That's not the whole truth. Because in Germany, when you buy a bike brand new from BMW, you get 3 years of warranty. In Italy you actually get 4 years. So now on my S1000RR I would have 4 years warranty, and with 4 years warranty, well, it's 1 year more. That's still not everything. If you buy the passenger thingy, you know, the passenger, how do you say it, passenger, help me out guys, passenger set with foot bags and all that stuff. Oh, it's getting sunny. The storm is moving away. Great. You see, the wind is going that direction, which means the storm should go away. And I hope I will be dry when I get to BMW. But there is another storm coming. So when you get the passenger kit in Germany, the race cover you get standard on the bike, you have to pay extra to get that as well. In Italy, you get both. So when you buy the bike and you put on the passenger seat, in Germany you have to buy the race cover separately. In Italy, when you buy the passenger set, you get the race cover too. So that's a great thing about Italy. So these two things, and they told me the race cover aftermarket, or not aftermarket, but from BMW, from the spare parts, would cost around 200-300 euros in Germany. And if you put the passenger set afterwards, it would cost 500 to 600 euros, which means it's way more expensive in Germany. So of course the base price is cheaper, but insurance and the seat cover, those are some big things. So alone these two facts would have cost me a lot more after those 3 years, or if I wanted to take the race cover anyway in a second moment. So in total it's a lot cheaper if you buy the bike in Italy for me at least. Now I don't know about you, but if you live in Germany and all that stuff, maybe it's cheaper for you in Germany. But the next thing, I have a German Italian bank account, an Italian phone number, and if you want to register your bike in Germany, you need a German bank account, and to get a German bank account you need a German phone number. So I would have to have everything double, so Italian and a German phone number, Italian and a German bank account. So what the fuck? We're in Europe, we're not in, it's not like I'm making something in America or something like that. But at this point it's about the same difficulty to get it both. So yeah,